Here you can see my earnings. Today I have made $24 and here you can see my yesterday earnings. I have made $101. You can also earn lots of money every single day. You should watch this full video without skipping. In this video I'm going to share with you step by step how to earn money with Google AdMob. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making money online. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPA network. Now you can click on create an account button. You can click on earn money now button. You can select this option. I want to make money from my mobile app or website. You can click on get started button. Now you can click here. You can type here your PayPal email address and then you can click on submit button. You can type here your full name. You can type your email address. You can type your password. You can confirm password and then you can click on register button. Once you will create successfully your account, it will then take you to this page. Here you can see I have made $37.23 from CPA network. Here you can see this month's earnings. I have made more than $1,000 from CPA network. You can click on create an offer wall button. Now you can select your template. Now you can type your offer wall title. You can type your header title. If you want to show dating offers on your application, then you can select your yes option. Now you can click on create an offer wall button. Now you can click on get code button. Here is showing direct link. You can copy this direct link. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can make your app for Android phones and tablets. This platform is free. You can earn money by showing ads. You can show ads of Google AdMob, Unity, Star.io and many more. Here you can see some screenshots. You can make this kind of application using this platform. First of all, you will have to sign up. You can type here your name. You can select your country. You can type your email address and password. And you can click here to accept its terms of service. And then you can click on send button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on create app button. Now you can type your app name. You can click on choose from gallery button. Here you can see there are a lot of app icons. You can select any of this app icon. Now you can select your language. You can type your app description. And then you can click on next button. You can type here this kind of app description and then you can click on next button. You can select here this option. Now you can type your title. You can paste your web address. You can go on CPA network. Here is showing direct link. You can copy this direct link. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform and paste here that direct link. Click on next button. Now click on go to app manager button. Click on ads button. Now I'm going to paste your banner add unit ID of AdMob, interstitial add unit ID of AdMob, native ads add unit ID of AdMob, rewarded add unit ID of AdMob. You can also show ads of Unity ads, Star.io, AppNext, Monetize or Monetize platform. I'm going to show ads of AdMob. You can go on Google and search your AdMob. You can click here to open this URL. Here you can see you can earn more revenue with your apps. You can click on get started button. You can sign in using your email address and password. After creating AdMob account, you can click on apps button. Now you can click on add app button. You can select your Android platform. Now you can select here no option. Click on continue button. You can type your app name and then you can click on add app button. Now you can click on add unit button. Here you can see ad formats. You can create banner ads, interstitial ads, rewarded ads and native ads. I'm going to create all of these ads. Here is showing app ID and here is showing add unit ID. You can click here to copy this app ID. You can go on App Creator 24 platform. You can click on general info button. Click on name and icon button. You can scroll down. You can paste your app ID. Now you can click on save button. Click on OK button. Now you can click on Ads button. I'm going to paste your banner ad unit ID of admob, interstitial ad unit ID of admob, native ads unit ID of admob, rewarded video ads unit ID of admob. You can visit on Google admob. Here you can see I have created banner ads, interstitial ads, native ads and rewarded ads. Here is showing banner ad unit ID. You can click here to copy this banner ad unit ID. Now you can go on App Creator 24 platform and paste your banner ad unit ID. Similarly, you can paste your interstitial ad unit ID. You can go on admob. You can click here to copy this ad unit ID. Go on this platform and paste your ad unit ID. Similarly, I'm going to paste your native ads unit ID and rewarded video ads unit ID. Okay, after completing it, you can click on Save button. Now you can click on Download App button. You can click here to download this application. Now I'm going to run this application in my Android device. Guys, you can also make this kind of simple application. When someone will click on this advertisement, then you will earn money. You can earn money from Google AdMob. When your user will complete any of this task, then your user will earn points. And you will earn money from CPA lead network. You can earn money from Google AdMob and CPA lead network. It's very simple to make application and earn money from application. If you want to learn more about Google AdMob, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.